Alright, Dell Do-It-Yourself fans, we got some these flamin' hot, extra flamin' hot Cheetos. And it looks like Nueva Imagine. So let's see. So we got some sodas just in case these are a little too hot. We got some Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper to go with them. Perfect combo. So we're gonna get into these right away. Of course, you'll know from my face if they're hot or not. Oh yeah. They're actually good. And I'm only getting the spice. The spice is really overpowering the cheese, but I can taste it. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, this is the package. Yeah, that's what the package looks like.
I've also got some cheese bread. I'll take a bite out of it. And I knew it was kind of like garlic bread. And I knew I'd love it even before I tasted it, and I'm like, it's garlic bread.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I tried a little bit of that beforehand. It's good. Yeah, it's definitely hot. I definitely want to have some water and a soda around if I was going to eat this whole bag. So, yeah, spice is exactly as I want it. Right, perfect, right where you want it, but I don't taste as much of the cheese as I would have liked to. So gets a little bit of points knocked off for that, but it's a good product. Yeah, this is extra flamin' hot Cheetos.
Welcome to Sea Hotel California.